Welcome back to Explain America. This is your host, Kyle Becker. There's been a massive development in the story about the Democratic senators and Congress members who launched a viral video calling on members of the military and the intelligence community to defy Trump's supposed unlawful orders. Now, there has been a lot of talk about this being treasonous and seditious, and things are coming to a head. They are boiling over because one of the senators in this video, they are being gobsmacked. They have charges being brought against them potentially in a military court. And before we get into this story, please like, share, and comment at Explain America. Join us. We appreciate your support for common sense journalism. Now, the Department of War has announced that it has opened a formal review into allegations of misconduct against Democratic Senator Mark Kelly of Arizona over a video calling on service members to refuse illegal orders. The Pentagon said it may even call Kelly, who is a retired Navy captain, back into active duty to face court-martial proceedings or other administrative actions under the Uniform Code of Military Justice. And I quote from the statement, "This matter will be handled in compliance with military law, ensuring due process and impartiality," unquote. And the department said that it is going to limit further comments to protect the integrity of the proceedings. Now, the statement from the Department of War underscores that military retirees, such as Mark Kelly, remain subject to the UCMJ, and reminded service members that, quote, "orders are presumed to be lawful," unquote, and must be obeyed. The department cited federal statutes, including 18 U.S.C. Section 2387, which prohibits attempts to undermine the loyalty, morale, or discipline of U.S. forces. It said, quote, "The Department of War reminds all individuals that military retirees remain subject to the UCMJ for applicable offenses." It adds, quote, "A service member's personal philosophy does not justify or excuse the disobedience of an otherwise lawful order," unquote. Even though Kelly left active service years ago, the Pentagon could, if it determines his actions violated the code, bring him before a military court. Now, weigh in with your thoughts. Do you think that Kelly should be brought before a military court for this video, for calling on members of the military and the intelligence community to defy unspecified, unlawful orders? We always appreciate hearing from you at Explain America.